this is where I removed the old range hood. So I got a brand new one, but it's slightly different anyway. As you can see here, this is a recirculating range hood. I'm not gonna have any pipes going out. So what I have to do now is, there is a valve in here, just like the air basically when it's filtered, it goes out just around here anyway. That's how they've designed this anyway. So what I'm going to do, I need to drill a hole which is the same size plus about 5mm clearance in there. So what I did is, you just take the measurement where the center of the hole is. You put a nail or a screw in there, put a pencil, you just basically go like that, just go around it, and then get a jigsaw. You cut it from the bottom, so you cut that from the bottom. So before you cut it from the bottom, what you have to do is, first of all, you need to make a hole. So that's the drill bit, it's a large one. So you need to make a hole anywhere there inside the circle, so somewhere there. So all the way through, then you put your jigsaw and you cut it around. It was very hard to cut this piece, as you can see it's not round, but actually you need to make it sort of round. This is the hole, so this is the hole, but at the same time we have this one here, that's the valve. So this is what you need to install that way, and basically you put it through there. And that's it really, and it's got some bolts on the side. You just need to bolt it on to keep it in place. That's it, it's all done. It's plug and play. You just need to plug it to the power. So there is already power there. You put the cable through here or through here, wherever you want, and you plug it, and that's it. Job is done for this one here. I'll show you how it's gonna come out later anyway. Okay, so as you can see, everything is installed, everything looks perfect. So it comes out, so you turn it on, so the light, so it's got 2 speeds, so I think it's job well done.